सबको सब कुछ पता है, एवरीथिंग, एवरीबडी कम्स प्रिपेयर्ड। मैं रोऊंगी, मैं विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले करूंगी, मैं अफेयर करूंगी, मैं झगड़ा करूंगी, मैं चिल्लाऊंगी। अच्छा, सीजन 4 में किसी ने ये किया था तो मैं वो उसका फॉलो करूंगी। हमारे ज़माने में जब रियलिटी शोज होते थे, बी इट नच बलिए, बी इट बिग बॉस, बी इट ज़रा नच के दिखा, बी इट एनीथिंग, रियलिटी शोज वर रियल। I recently did a web show. उसमें हमें बोला गया था कि we needed blue tick people, we needed people with a certain following. तो हमने वो ज़माने भी देखे जहाँ 7 से 2 की शिफ्ट होती थी, सीरियल्स बाई वीकलीज हो गई, फिर डेलीज हो गई। तो हम वो ज़माने से, the 90s was the best period of television. I have seen the director being the actual captain of the ship. Nobody used to call the shots. Today there are a whole bunch of people sitting on set to take calls. I learned so many things because I worked with such legends like Rakesh Bedi ji, you know, Asif, Sulbha Arya, so many people. It's a Shah Rukh Khan starer. There's Preeti Zinta, there's Saif Ali Khan, there's Jaya Bachchan. Everybody was a legend. This movie that I got, Kal Ho Na Ho, the biggest and the best thing that ever happened in my career. But I just told him that, you know what, Rishi ji, I loved you when I was in my KG class. He was like, आप मुझे कॉल करो अभी, मेरे फोन पे देखना कौन सी ट्यून बजती। I didn't know that Raji was coming, but when I saw him on the first day, I was like, okay, fine, great, no problem, bring it on. मैं हमेशा से मोटी थी. Obviously, I'm 53 today. So 53, I've gone through so many changes in life. Okay, so simple for people to say, "Moti bhaise." It's so demeaning. It's nasty. It's crude. मैं सीधा ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ, भाड़ में जा।
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with Delnaz Irani, and I think one thing that can define her is versatility, because be it big screen, small screen, she has made sure to leave her mark everywhere. Delnaz, hello and welcome to Bollywood
Thank
Bubble.
you, Akriti. Thank you so much. Totally appreciate.
But you know, Delnaz, no, when even I look at your journey, right? Be it TV, be it films, you have made sure to leave your mark everywhere. Is that your mantra to stay relevant in the industry even now?
No, I think my only passion is acting,
Yeah.
Akriti. So be it films, be it TV, be it theatre, now be web or
Yeah.
whatever. I mean, you know, acting करना ज़रूरी है, काम करना ज़रूरी है.
Yeah.
So I feel that आप अपना काम करते जाओ, and whether you're relevant or not doesn't matter. Obviously, because you're working, you will be relevant.
Yeah.
But there is no conscious mantra or plan for this.
Yeah.
So I've always been working. I've always explored and experimented in different mediums. So मेरे लिए medium ना important है. मतलब मेरे लिए काम और अच्छा काम important है. Medium is not really for me. Acting is what I need to do.
True. But you know, Delnaz, आपका interview मैंने सुना है, and you have always said that you entered industry because you were spotted. You know, बोलते ना, right things happen at right time, right? And now
जी.
you speak कि okay, आपको opportunities मिलती गई, and so you could be relevant. You did shows constantly.
Yeah.
Do you feel to survive here or stay here, your luck matters and even hard work also, but luck also equally matters?
Luck is the most important thing, Akriti. Luck, तो मैं बोलूँगी कि luck के सिवाय कुछ नहीं चलता यहाँ पर.
Yeah.
Number one will be your luck, your naseeb, your destiny, जो बोलो.
Yeah.
Of course your hard work, it goes hand in hand.
Definitely.
And आप अपना काम करते रहो. जैसे मैंने कहा, I've not been extremely lucky, but yes, because I've worked hard and because I just, you know, kept going with the flow. मैंने बहुत सारी लाइफ में choices नहीं रखी अपने लिए कि यही करना है या ये करना है. If I may say so, I didn't manipulate my career.
Yeah.
You know, I did not manipulate things. Like, क्या होता है ना कि आप इंडस्ट्री में आते हो, स्पेशली आजकल के आर्टिस्ट में देखती हूँ, बच्चे में देखती हूँ, they all come with a group of people
That-
agency, PR team, a lot of
Entourage,
paraphernalia,
yeah.
you know, कि एक्टिंग तो है ही, ये सारी चीज भी इम्पोर्टेंट होती है.
Yeah, yeah.
तो बेसिकली वो सारी चीज नहीं थी, बस काम करते गए, मौके मिलते गए, एंड मेड द बेस्ट ऑफ द स्मॉलेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी.
True.
That was my mantra. Even if it's a one scene role somewhere or a two scene role, made the best of it. पूरी शिद्दत से काम किया, पूरी honesty से किया. उसके बाद whether it's appreciated, फिल्म्स चली नहीं चली, सीरियल्स कितने टाइम चली, वो मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने अपना काम पूरी शिद्दत से
100%,
किया.
yeah, true. But you know, Delnas, also you have been in the industry at a time. You were organically spotted. Your talent was given that credence, right? Do you see that change in industry? Ki now you have to actually go out and show yourself, like, okay, I exist, I need work. Do you see this paradigm shift in the industry from
Of
90s
course.
to now?
Of course, the change, it's very evident, Akriti. It's a big change. It's a big shift. आज आप देखो, I'll not say much. I will not mention people,
Yeah.
or I'll not mention the production. But I recently did a web show. उसमें सारे के सारे हमें बोला गया था कि we needed blue tick people, we needed people with a certain following, we need influencers, you know. So I mean, ये फैक्ट है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपको काम करते रहना है, यू नो, यू हैव टू मूव ऑन विद टाइम्स.
True.
अगर मैं पकड़ के बैठूं कि 90s में ऐसा ही होता था, तो भाई 90s में तो वीकली होते थे. हम 7 बजे
हाँ.
सुबह शूट पे जाते थे, 2 बजे दोपहर को हम घर पे होते थे खाना खाने. तो अगर हम बोले कि नहीं, मैं तो वहां से हूं, तो भाई फिर आप डेली सोप मत करो फिर.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
I understand.
तो हमने वो जमाने भी देखे जहां एक 7 से 2 की शिफ्ट होती थी, फिर सीरियल्स बाई वीकलीज हो गई, फिर डेलीज हो गई. तो हम वो जमाने से हैं.
I completely understand.
To be very honest, so we've seen the shift, we've seen the small shift, we've seen the big shift,
True.
we've seen the ups and downs,
Yeah.
you know. So I feel ke ye part and parcel of changing times.
Yeah.
You know, there is social media. It is brimming. It is booming right now.
Yeah.
And make the most of it.
True.
अगर आप थोड़े वाइज हो तो करो अपना काम, करते जाओ. सोशल मीडिया में भी अगर आपको यू नो एक्टिव रहना है, आप रहो, आप रेलेवेंट रहो, आपके लिए अच्छा है.
True.
So why not? I mean, it's all good.
Yeah.
You know, you have to use social media. Social media does not have to use you. You see?
That's
So
very right.
so you do the right things in the right way.
Yeah.
You move on, you do your work.
Yeah.
You be honest with your work.
But you know, Delnas, when you see that change in format, आप बोल रहे हो पहले bi-weeklies होते थे, like early 90s I'm talking about.
Yes,
Now
yes.
we see telecast pressure बोल के की जाती है.
Yes.
आज shoot हो रहा है, कल episode जा रहा है.
Yes, yes.
But even back then, was working in TV exhausting?
Well, I will only say the 90s was the best period of television. We've had the best shows.
Yeah.
We've seen changes. We've seen from weeklies, how the shift happened to dailies.
Yeah.
But dailies में भी इतना pressure नहीं होता था तब जो आज है. I have seen the director being the actual captain of the ship. Nobody used to call the shots.
Yeah.
Besides the director. Today there are a whole bunch of people sitting on set to take calls.
Yeah.
तो ये था. And I feel के pressure जो आज है, telecast pressure, yes, getting your monies on time. Well, I have been fortunate, very lucky,
Yeah.
भगवान की दया से, कि अच्छे पैसे मिले हैं, अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम किया है. कभी ऐसा I was never in that position or state where I had to literally go beg for my money. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है. Thank God for it.
Point, yeah.
और मैं ऐसा चाहूंगी कि नॉट बोस्टिंग, बट ऐसा कभी करना हो तो मैं नहीं करूंगी, प्रिफर करूंगी
Yeah.
कि एट दिस स्टेज आई डू नॉट वांट टू वर्क विद दोस काइंड ऑफ पीपल.
True.
You know, I want to work today. I'm very clear, Akriti. when I'm working,
Yeah.
I want to, yes, of course, I want to keep working, but I want to work when I'm happy. आज अगर मैं सुबह जग के 5:30-6 बजे जग के अगर मैं एक सेट पे जाने की तैयारी कर रही हूँ, I have to look forward to that opportunity. I have to look forward to that job. I cannot be like, अरे यार आज वापस शूट पे जाना है. I cannot be like that. I don't want to be in that situation.
Definitely.
I want to be in a situation where I'm happy. कि यार, you know, I am looking forward to my shoot tomorrow.
True.
And that can only happen when you're getting a respectable role, good money, you're working with good people, you are very comfortable in the setup, you're surrounded with very nice, creative people.
Yeah.
And I'm very blessed. Today I'm doing a show called Mannat.
Yeah.
And I love my role. There are shades to my character. I love the production. I love the creative setup. I always wanted to work with Mukta ma'am, Mukta Dhon. I have loved her shows. I got this opportunity and I just grabbed it because
Yeah.
I said, you know, मतलब अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करना is more important. That is my criteria today.
Definitely. You know, Delnaz, you rightly pointed out that it's always better to work with quality of people rather than quantity of people.
Exactly.
Or a valued people rather, I would say. But you know,
Yes.
having spent so many years in the industry, I want to know this. You know, हर तरह के लोग होते हैं इंडस्ट्री में, right? What kind of people have you encountered and now you wish like यार ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम नहीं करना, like the qualities I'm talking about, not the person, but ऐसे लोगों के साथ तो काम नहीं करना है.
आप वापस कहोगे कि मैं थोड़ी सी डिप्लोमेटिक हो रही हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं हो रही हूँ. मैं सीधे सीधे बोल रही हूँ, मैंने बहुत अच्छे लोगों के साथ ही काम किया है.
That's a blessing. I would say.
That's a blessing.
Yeah.
Be it films, be it TV.
Yeah.
My mentor, Rajan Magdare ji, who made such great comedies. उन्होंने श्रीमान श्रीमती किया,
Yes.
2 और 2 5 किया,
Yeah.
Yes Boss जिसमें
Yes,
मैं
boss,
थी,
yeah.
9 साल शो
That
चला.
show.
There was another show called सजन तुम झूठ मत बोलो, शादी नंबर 1. I've done plenty, Ring Wrong Ring,
Sure.
plenty of comedies with him. And he was a man who knew the pulse of the audience as far as comedy was concerned.
Yeah.
He was a king of comedy. As you know, उनके अगर आप कोई भी शो ले लो, उनका डायरेक्टेड जो शो है, उन्होंने
Very good.
इतना बढ़िया काम किया है. I learned so many things because I worked with such legends like Rakesh Bedi ji,
Yes.
you know, Asif, Sulbha Arya, so many people,
Yeah.
you know. So Jatin Kanakia, of course, who is no more, but worked with such brilliant actors as well and learned so much.
Yeah.
So I've always been blessed to be surrounded by such people who taught me nice things. I learned good things. And I enjoyed my work everywhere I went.
True.
Yes, I was, at that time, of course, I was new. I was young. There was this whole learning process.
Yeah.
But उसके साथ साथ मैंने हमेशा काम को एंजॉय किया है.
Definitely.
You know, मैंने ऐसे कभी, I've never encountered something where I felt that, you know, no yaar, I don't want to work with this person. Or I'm upset, I don't want to go on set. I don't know. ये of course बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता भी होगा.
Yeah. But you know, Delnaz, also if I look at your trajectory, ना, one thing
Yeah.
interesting, you know, आज जब हम, you know, when actors make this transition कि ठीक है मैं TV में हूँ, now I want to go into film. एक complaint होती थी कि हम पे TV actor का tag लग गया. You have been from a time जहाँ, if I'm not wrong, आपके TV show के performance की वजह से you bagged your first Dharma film, right? How was that time then?
Like I again told you, Akriti, I just went with the flow. You know, मेरे को तो कुछ मतलब ऐसे था कि भाई I did not, लोग बोलते हैं, I don't know why ये sentence भी लोग बोलते हैं, why this thing of I have graduated to films.
Yes.
I've graduated to what?
I've moved
I mean,
on.
I've moved to film. I feel that very odd, you know, because like I said, काम होता है. आप actor हो, आप TV करो, आप films करो.
True.
Of course, every genre will have like films, of course, you can't compare the kind of glamour, the fame, the but aaj television is also equally big.
Yeah.
In fact,
It is.
people come to promote their films on TV.
Films on TV, true.
Right? So, coming back to your question, this movie that I got, Kal Ho Na Ho, the biggest and the best thing that ever happened in my career.
True.
But तब ये एक, जैसे मैंने कहा ना, एक innocence होता है.
Yeah.
When you're not looking at planning your career as such.
True.
Like I said, इसके बाद ये टीवी करूंगी, टीवी के बाद मूवीज तो करनी है. ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था. हाँ, मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मैं अच्छा ये सीरियल, अच्छा इसके बाद ये सीरियल, अच्छा इसके बाद अच्छा मूवी भी आ गई, अच्छा रियलिटी शो भी आ गया. तो इट वाज लाइक दैट. इट वाजंट लाइक ओके, मेरा एक सफारी सूट पहना हुआ एक सेक्रेटरी है जो हर किसी प्रोड्यूसर को बोल रहा है मैडम की डेट्स ही नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था मेरे पास. ना सेक्रेटरी था, ना मैनेजर था, ना एजेंसी थी, ना कुछ. आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम धर्मा व्हेन I was doing my show, Yes Boss. I just started doing Rajan ji's another show called Sajan Tum Jhoot Man Bolo. Both the shows were running simultaneously. I was packed. My dates were packed. I got this call. I said, "Arey wah, like I've got a movie call." So I went. I did my audition like जैसे एक normal आप जाते हो, आप audition देते हो, आप normally audition दिया, and I didn't get a call for 20 days after the audition. And मैं भूल भी गई. Can you imagine? आज की तारीख में अगर मैं एक audition देती हूँ तो every second day you will feel, oh shit, अभी तक call नहीं आया,
But listen, I'm not believing because that character is so iconic कि आपको 20 days का call नहीं आया. Now the value that character has.
So I didn't get a call after the audition, so I was like, oh my god, like okay, is it happening? But मतलब
No brainer.
सोचा भी नहीं कि मतलब भूल गई, अपने काम में busy थी. Then I got a call again for a second audition, and then that audition was in front of my actual director of the film, Nikhil ji. So when Nikhil Advani was sitting right next to the monitor and I was doing the scene, after that everything was final. Like spoke about everything, like they said how big the canvas is. पहले तो कुछ पता नहीं था. फिर एक चीज आई. It's a Shah Rukh Khan starrer. There's Preeti Zinta, there's Saif Ali Khan, there's Jaya Bachchan. Everybody was a legend.
Yeah.
Everybody. Even the entire supporting cast. उसमें मैं गई newcomer, and of course I had done my TV and I was a known name even on stage.
Yeah.
But to do such a big film, it was something that again I will be very thankful and grateful. Yeah. But मेरे लिए again it was like, अच्छा एक काम है और एक एक्टिंग असाइनमेंट है. जब तक पिक्चर के सेट में एक्चुअली पहुंची नहीं, सीन्स किए नहीं सबके साथ, पिक्चर रिलीज हुई, तब जाके रियलाइज हुआ कि ओ माय गॉड, like this is so big.
Yeah.
So I mean that whole journey was it's nostalgic actually. Yeah.
But you spoke about scenes. I want to know when you did that, whole is the time to disco ke pehle, that Shah Rukh Khan, and then you just hug him, kiss him. What was the brief given to you? And that time you knew, okay, this scene is happening with Shah Rukh Khan, which will turn out to be like the best part of my career. That time.
Yeah, so like a lot of friends, they were like, oh my god, you're such a bitch, you kissed Shah Rukh so many times. So I was like, okay, listen, I didn't even think it that way. But I mean, there were so many retakes actually. कभी कुछ कैमरा का हो गया, कभी कुछ हो गया, कभी किसी ने ग्लास मतलब गिर गया, कभी कुछ हुआ. And because of that, we had to do the scene over and over again.
Yeah.
And I mean, to be honest, I've always been mesmerized when Shah Rukh is around. It's always been like, when he was on set, it was always like for me, मेरे दिमाग में एक पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस चल रहा है, वैसे कोई आवाज नहीं हो रही है, कुछ नहीं, कोई शोर नहीं, एकदम ऐसे I'm just observing him, I'm just looking at him, I'm just like, because he is what do I say, his aura is so different. He walks in and there's this kind of warmth and love and this entire being that he is. So for me it was just like, आज भी मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है, देख.
मैं वही बोल रही थी. एंड लोगों को लगता है आपने सिर्फ कल हो नाउ किए शाहरुख के साथ,
Yeah.
बट यू डिड 2 more films.
Yeah,
Arevan,
I did
Bhutnath,
Bhutnath and I did
Ravan.
yeah, Ravan.
You know, if I have to ask from 3 films, how has your experience overall summing up? How is Shah Rukh Khan off screen? क्योंकि आपने 3 बार काम किया.
No, he's a very warm person, firstly, like I said.
Yeah.
And सबके साथ, he's so magnanimous. He's such a huge star. But उनके साथ अगर आप काम करते हो तो आप एक चीज डेफिनेटली आपको महसूस होगी कि वो इतने प्यारे बंदे हैं. बिकॉज एक बोलते हैं ना कि भगवान के बंदे जो होते हैं, like he's got that warmth, he's got that कि कोई भी हो, कोई भी सेट पे हो, कितने भी लोग हो, सबके साथ अच्छे से बात करना, सबको कंफर्टेबल फील कराना, especially women. He's a charmer. Especially women. You can be you can be just standing next to him and he'll make sure that अरे आप ठीक हो ना, आप बैठ जाइए, that kind of तो automatically you just feel comfortable when he's around. हालांकि मेरा तो ऐसा था कि मैं I've always, शाहरुख की फिल्म्स देख के, फिल्म्स क्या, सर्कस and Fauji, and we've grown up watching those serials and all. तो एक होता है ना कि यार today I'm working with this man, so firstly that was like आपकी बोलती बंद हो जाती है ना कि अरे आप कहाँ आ गए ऐसे. So but of course made me feel very comfortable and very sweet, very nice to talk to, and like I said, a complete people's person.
Delna, starting में आपने कहा you never tried to manipulate your career, right?
Yeah.
This role of yours, Sweet 2, became hit because of the person she was. Do you feel somewhere people typecasted you as being this bubbly, funny girl always?
Yeah.
After that?
Yeah. Abhi bhi. Very sadly, but that's the way our industry works, isn't it? But I have no complaints, yaar. बबली बोल के अगर 30 साल निकाल दिए तो बबली सही.
Definitely. But while you have Tales with Shah Rukh, how was your reaction when you got that film offered with Salman again? Two Khans of the industry and working in their space.
So of course, like the whole Dil Ne Jise Apna Kaha, of course, was a very small part. But then the whole Big Boss and everything, very sweet, very nice again. True. You really can't. I don't want to compare the 2 stars.
No, not compare, but experience. Experience wonderful with everybody. Yeah.
Like be it Preeti, be it Saif, be it Shah Rukh, Salman. I've done a film with Akshay Bipasha. Yeah. So, like wonderful. Kareena Shahid.
Yeah. Rishi ji.
Rishi ji.
You share a birthday with him.
Yes.
But I want to ask you, लोगों का एक perception है, when, of course, for Mr. Rishi Kapoor, that he is this very unfiltered person. You act around him. If you're not right, वो वहीं पे आपको बोल देते हैं.
But that's Virgo, no? That's the trait.
Yeah. But have you seen that around him?
That's us. Yes. Yeah. So मैंने तो उनको ऐसे बड़ 2-3 दिन की शूट हुई हमारी, and we were shooting for this whole sequence. It was a combination scene in this movie called Pyar Mein Twist. And I just told him that, you know what, Rishi ji, I loved you when I was in my KG class. He was like, what? I still remember the way he reacted. Like the
he must have got that shock.
A shock, and he was like, and so I've the only one actor who is my all-time. I mean, I'm this huge fan.
Rishi,
आप मुझे कॉल करो अभी, मेरे फोन पे देखना कौन सी ट्यून बजती.
the interview.
Yes.
I want to hear.
Yes, you will hear. I want to tell my audience that it's Karz ka theme music, the instrumental. I still have it and I'll never remove it because, you know, when he fell ill, I made that my ringtone. And this is like an ardent fan talking, you know.
Yeah.
So I just thought to myself that I will only change it when, you know, he's out of everything and but he could not make it. So then I just left the ringtone.
Definitely. And especially, you know, when you work with the person, the closeness and the bond is
Yeah,
different altogether.
and he was so sweet. And yes, he, like you said, rightly so, he has no filter and he talks his heart out. And yeah, so I just kind of told him, I said, you know, I watched Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi and I watched Karz about 100 times and ye and wo and blah and itni sari baatein. And he must have felt कि यार ये
Fangirl.
कहाँ आ गई है इतनी बड़ी fan मेरी, you know.
But you know, Delnas, when you did Milenge, of course there was Shahid, there was Kareena. But you know, एक बोलते ना industry का phenomena है. We of course know the bond Shahid Kareena shared, and while Milenge come, things were a bit ugly or sour between them, I would say. Did that reflect in their behavior on sets, or they were very comfortable working with each other that
No,
time?
they were very good.
Yeah.
They were very good on set. They were very, very, very good on set.
Basically, personal dynamics.
And
का
Kareena is a
professionalism,
darling.
that
She is a darling. She is.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of her.
Yeah.
Not only like a fan because I really love her as an actress, but I've worked with her so I can. And we reunited almost after 20 years. I just recently did an ad with her.
Yeah.
She is a darling. She's a doll. She again she's all heart.
Yeah.
She has no filter. Again a Virgo. I mean, we have like just कुछ तो है, you know.
तो है, yeah. But you know, I want to know कि personal relationships या interpersonal relationships का work environment पे असर पड़ता था back then भी and अभी भी, like in general on set if I ask.
As in with whom?
As in person, anyone. Just I took example of Shahid Kareena, right?
Yeah.
Were they ever awkward working with each other on set, or you feel कि नहीं हो जाता? They were like extremely professional.
No, but everything was good. I never saw.
Everything?
Yeah.
But you know, उसके बाद if I ask,
आप मुझसे कुछ बुलवाना चाहते हो ना,
No,
naughty girl?
No. I'm just asking you because even you, if I take your
Yeah.
example, right, not in a negative way, but you gracefully did Big Boss with your ex-husband present there, and you played your journey, Delnas.
You know, I just feel आकृति लोग जो हम लोग होते हैं generally human beings.
Yeah.
You know, एक होता है, we very curious when two exes get together.
Yeah.
दो एक किसी की एक बैक स्टोरी होती है, कहानी होती है,
Exactly.
उसमें जब दो लोग वापस आते हैं तो you know there is this certain curiosity
Yeah.
कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. You know, so I think that's a little,
Unfair.
I mean, unfair, unwanted, not required,
Yeah.
because it's a thing of the past.
Exactly.
You know, आज बार बार अगर आप मुझे वही सवाल पूछोगे, मेरी 14 साल की शादी थी और अभी 15 साल से we are separated. He's also moved on.
Yeah.
I've also moved on. You know, so it's a complete thing of the past. Of course, when Big Boss happened, we were just divorced.
Yeah.
And it was very fresh. But you know what? We're both professionals. And if you go to see, किसी ने भी किसी के साथ misbehave करना या
नहीं था.
गंदी बात करना या after all we were married for 14 years. I didn't want that I should, you know, let my private life out like this on national television. हालांकि बहुत सारी चीजें बोली गई, but that's the kind of the show we were in.
Yeah.
And obviously I was prepared that अगर कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है,
Yeah.
तो obviously I have to take it in my stride because you know, it's a reality show which is,
Yeah.
you know,
Most
the
true.
content is supposed to be like that.
Yeah. The format.
The controversy has to be there. More controversy, more masala. That's how the show is.
Yeah.
The format of the show is such.
Yeah.
So we cannot argue on that. But after knowing all this, I obviously took the plunge.
Yeah.
Of course,
That
I
was a
didn't know
brave
that
decision
I
for
didn't
you.
know that Raji was coming. But when I saw him on the first day, I was like, okay, fine, great, no problem, bring it on. करते हैं साथ में शो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
But you know, Delnas, आज जब I talk to Big Boss contestants ना, उनको पता रहता है कौन आ रहा है कौन नहीं, right? आप लोगों के टाइम पे भी ये होता था कि you guys
See, again, I'll tell you, Akriti. You're talking about 2012.
12, yeah.
Okay, season 6.
Season 6, yeah.
सब लोग, I'm including the makers, the production,
Format,
everybody. सब लोग के लिए ये शो नया था. Everybody was just 5-6 years into the show. तो everybody was trying to experiment. चलो ये भी करते हैं, चलो वो भी करते हैं. आज क्या हो रहा है? सब करके देख लिया. अब सबको सब कुछ मालूम है, सबको सब कुछ पता है. Everybody comes prepared.
Yeah.
मैं रोऊंगी, मैं विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले करूंगी, मैं अफेयर करूंगी, मैं झगड़ा करूंगी, मैं इसका कैरेक्टर पकड़ूंगी, मैं चिल्लाऊंगी. अच्छा, सीजन 4 में किसी ने ये किया था तो मैं वो उसका फॉलो करूंगी.
yeah.
तो एवरीबडी इज सो स्मार्ट. जब हमारे आई एम सेइंग हमारे जमाने में जब रियलिटी शोज होते थे, बी इट नच बलिए, बी इट बिग बॉस, बी इट जरा नच के दिखा, बी इट एनीथिंग, reality shows were real.
Yeah.
There were no mincing of words with judges. What they felt, they spoke. There was no interference कि अच्छा ये हमारे चैनल का बंदा है तो इसको थोड़ा ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स मिलने चाहिए. जो है सो है. तो in the true sense of reality shows, we've seen real reality shows. We've been a part of the real sense of a reality show. We've not had like, you know, कि अच्छा ये कर दो, वो कर दो, manipulation, you know.
I agree that.
I guess today, again, everything is very different as far as even these kind of shows are concerned.
Yeah, definitely.
Whereas everybody has a certain feed, everybody has a, you know, अब बिग बॉस भी देख लो यार. पहले से आपको पता लग जाएगा कि भाई ये है बंदा या ये है बंदी, इसको ही आगे जाना है, इसको ही आगे चलाएंगे. They're very clear. One is, even the audience knows.
Yeah, I agree.
You know?
And you know, इसके लिए सवाल भी उठते हैं ना कि अरे show scripted, and you guys have come from a time when things were spontaneous. Like you mentioned, आपको पता भी नहीं था कौन आ रहा है, क्या होने वाला है उस घर में, right?
बिल्कुल नहीं. And of course, it's a very stupid thing to say that the show is scripted. The show can never be scripted. So the show can never be scripted.
Yeah.
Everybody asks me this one question तो आता है scripted. अरे show कैसे scripted तो हो ही नहीं सकता ये show. It is not possible. Okay, हमारे टाइम में तो ऐसा था, मैं ironed वो clothes लेके गई थी. Okay, तो मेरे इस्त्री वाले ने वो iron ठीक रहे उसको पेपर लगाया था, न्यूज़पेपर. वो पेपर भी हटा दिए थे. पेन और पेपर भी हमें अलाउड नहीं था, which is obviously everybody knows that it's not allowed.
Yeah.
Okay, so itna when one was sick and one had to go to that medical room या कौन सा वो रूम होता है बिग बॉस से बात करते हुए, confession room, वहाँ डॉक्टर आते थे, उसका मुंह बंदा होता था डॉक्टर का.
they were masked.
Okay, कि कुछ भी तुम्हें ना इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी ना कुछ मिलेगा. सो आप ऑब्वियसली the only thing that happens is the editing is in their hands. क्योंकि आप 24 घंटे एक दूसरे के साथ हो. आप आज मैं आपके साथ अभी प्यार से बैठ के हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर तूने खाना ठीक नहीं बनाया तो मैंने बोला यार आकृति तूने कैसी दाल बनाई, आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गई. तो ऑब्वियसली आर्ग्यूमेंट दिखाएंगे ना, ऐसे थोड़ी प्यार से बैठ के अरे मेरा बच्चा यू नो, वो नहीं दिखाएंगे. जो मैंने अरे मेरा बच्चा वो नहीं दिखाएंगे, अरे साली तू आ तुझे दिखाती हूँ वो दिखाएंगे. तो दिखाना क्या है वो उनके हाथ में.
You know, Delnas, after working with something like a Dharma production, today when you see this whole chatter going around, or say I would say the scrutiny, star kids get, या लोग बोल देते हैं ना कि अरे nepotism है, nepo kid है, what will they perform, how will they perform? Do you feel they are judged a little more having worked with a bunch of kids जिनके parents के भी साथ आपने काम किया?
Yeah. So I will be very, very honest and say that they were wonderful children, very well brought up. They met me with so much warmth because they knew that I was Sweetu of Kalona or whatever. So, you know, second, I feel जो प्रेशर वो बच्चे पे होता है ना, वो आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. एक नॉर्मल आर्टिस्ट ले लो, नॉर्मल बच्चा ले लो, नॉर्मल मतलब जो आउटसाइडर है, जैसे लाइक इन दैट लैंग्वेज इफ वी आर, एंड एक स्टार किड ले लो. जो स्टार किड का प्रेशर होता है ना, आज अगर मैं काम कर रही हूं और मैं प्रेशर के बिना काम कर रही हूं, बिंदास, यू नो, जो होना है सो होकर रहेगा. इनको कितना प्रेशर होता है. हैव यू एवर इवन थॉट ऑफ people just, you know what, because today they have फालतू platforms, you know, they have these platforms where they can talk, and लोग है, लोग बोलेंगे, जबान है तो बोलना तो है ही. आज आप बहुत ही कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे बोल दोगे कुछ भी, बिकॉज you will judge people, because ठीक है, आपके पास एक जरिया है जहां आप बोलते रहोगे. this topic and this discussion is so now done to death, I feel.
True.
You know, and एक सबको समझना है कि भाई अगर आज एक बहुत बड़ा डॉक्टर है जिसने अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत मेहनत की है, नाम कमाया है, मेहनत की है, तो उसका अगर बेटा होगा तो वो चाहेगा ना कि वो भी थोड़ा सा पुश मिले, राइट?
I completely agree.
एंड वो एक सिनेरियो आप देखो, इतनी सी बात है कि एक जब हम रेस में पार्ट लेते थे, जब हम छोटे थे और हम कोई भी रेस में पार्ट लेते थे, तो माँ या बाप, हमारे जो पेरेंट्स है, हमारे पीछे खड़े हो गए, ऑन योर मार्क सेट गो, तो वो पुश मारते. वो सिर्फ पुश है भाई, उसके बाद तो आप जैसे दौड़ोगे वही है ना. आप जितना लंबा रिले में भागोगे, आप जितना करोगे, वो आप पे है. I just feel that, you know, this whole conversation is like क्या है ये, मतलब, you know, yeah, of course there is this thing कि आपको एक edge over the others मिलता है, you know, which is only fair because it's not their fault. What is their fault if you're born to
a family?
So, you know, it is just that little advantage or the edge that you get over the others. उसके बाद तो आपका नसीब, आपका talent, आपका whatever.
True.
And if you're talking about Archies, let me make one thing very clear, that they never got any special treatment. वो बाकी बच्चे भी थे.
I know.
तो जितनी बाकी बच्चों की जो था, whatever they were all treated in an equal way, you know. But I feel बाकी बच्चों से जो ज्यादा प्रेशर ये बच्चों पे था, you know, to prove. वो एक जो प्रेशर होता है ना काम के वक्त, आप एक रोल करते हो और आपके सिर पे आप एक सीन कर रहे हो, आपके सीन पे हमेशा प्रेशर होता है एक वैलिडेशन का कि सीन कैसा जाएगा. यार, they'll compare me to my father or my mother or my uncle or my aunt. What is that pressure? Because I don't think एक आर्टिस्ट ही समझ सकता है वो. I don't think any normal person can understand that.
Also, and you know, as an artist, when you see 90s का एक टाइम था ना कि you review, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई काम नहीं पसंद आया ना, रिव्यू में भी बहुत डिग्निफाइड वे में लिखा जाता था कि that's okay, it's not up to the mark. But आज जब सोशल मीडिया आया, do you feel कि people also become that ruthless, जैसे
people are bitter, people are so bitter, people are so nasty, there's so much hate.
Hate is the right.
मैं हमेशा से मोटी थी. I was always plump. Yes, I'm 53 today. So 53, I've gone through so many changes in life. Okay. आपका body एक, I mean, I don't have to explain.
No,
you know,
definitely. I understand from which space are you telling that.
So it's so simple for people to say, moti bhaise. It's so demeaning, it's nasty, it's crude. मैं सीधा ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ, भाड़ में जा तू. I don't need such people in my life. I don't need toxic people. I don't need negativity. Right now I'm at a stage, I'm in a very peaceful space. I have my work, my people love me there. I have a man who adores me, who dotes on me. His world is Delnaz. मुझे और क्या चाहिए? मुझे इन लोगों को वैलिडेशन देना है? आप क्या जानते हो मेरी लाइफ के बारे में? आप मेरे जूते पहनो तब देखो आप कहां से आए हो? You know? So it's very easy, Akriti, for people to just comment because it's free. तुम आज एक फिल्म रिव्यू की बात कर, I'm talking about a person's appearance.
Yeah. But you know, ये confidence जो आज आप में आया ना कि okay, you just block the people, and you should also. I mean, no one has the right to comment on you because they don't know what you have gone through or what you are going through, right? ये कॉन्फिडेंस पहले से था और डेवलप ओवर द टाइम.
ये कॉन्फिडेंस मतलब एज अ किड ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज वेरी नॉन कॉन्फिडेंट. I'm talking about really as a kid. Like, I mean, if you talk 6-7 years, that was like really माँ का पल्लू छोड़ती नहीं थी, वैसी वाली मैं, you know.
Kid, yeah.
I got my confidence when I was in college, when I started working, you know, and like in college I was like all into my extracurricular activities and I was a star there. So मतलब वो मुझे confidence तब से मतलब आ गया था कि भाई लोग पहचान रहे, लोग प्यार कर रहे. I'm always on stage. I'm getting medals and trophies for my college. तो एक होता है ना वो foundation जो मैंने कॉलेज में बनाई थी, वो foundation made me realize that yes, I am going to take up this as a profession. So वो confidence आते बनते बना. It's not right for people to do this, yaar, Akriti. And to be very honest, it's my weight that has always, like, लोगों को लगता है कि weight है, मैंने अपने weakness को मेरा strength बनाया. You know, because with this weight, I got my roles.
Yeah. You know, surprisingly, ये लोग जो हम पे comment करते हैं, when today they see where we are, attitude बदल जाता है लोगों का.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I mean, I don't even care, but yeah.
Yeah, but that happens कि लोगों का attitude बदल जाता है. मुझे डेलनास अगर पूछूं आज एक wish list या वो dream role क्या होगा, what would it be? Like something you want to really do.
I don't know that one dream role, but yeah, I would want to experiment with something really dramatic, really something different, maybe negative, maybe something out of the box and not comedy. So yeah, I mean, Mannat has given me that shade where, the character has many shades, but still I would want to play like a full-fledged dramatic drama queen kind of a part where it's just non-comedy.
But डेलनास जब आज आप मन्नत कर रहे हो, अभी ना एक नैरेटिव हो गया ना कि टीवी इंडस्ट्री में ना हर शो सेम लगता है. Infidelity का टॉपिक एंड इवन आज भी women are like कि ठीक है, they manage household, husband बाहर चल रहे. Do you also feel that? Do you feel?
No, I think Mannat is very different.
Mannat is different. वही मैं बोलूँ, while Mannat is different.
Yeah, but I think even
looking
TV,
at other shows.
No, I think I've been a huge fan of Anupama. Yeah, and I've loved that show. The way it's written, the way it's projected, the way the characters are. It's a lovely show. And there are so many other shows now which are very different. Yeah, I think TV is now slowly and steadily coming into that zone where people want to write different content, people want to experiment, people want to,
show a different side. Yeah.
एक वो जमाना था जब एक सास बहू था तो सास बहू ही बनाते थे, फिर बालिका वधू आया तो वही टाइप, फिर नागिन आया तो वही हुआ. But now I think people are exploring, they are being a little bold and trying to do different things.
Yeah. But do you have a talk with Rupali about the whole Anupama craze that goes
yeah, yeah,
on?
yeah. In fact, when it started, मैंने नहीं देखा था, कुछ 6-8 महीने में नहीं देख रही थी. फिर उसने मुझे कॉल किया और बोला तू मेरा शो नहीं देख रही है, यू आर माई फ्रेंड एंड यू आर नॉट वॉचिंग माई शो. So she was very upset and I said no, I'm going to. तो कोविड चल रहा था तब. I binge watched the show and I just loved it. Me and Percy would be like, you know, just watching Anupama.
But you know, Delnaz, how do you support Rupali in her tough times, or vice versa? Even she has supported you. How do you define your bond that way?
I think we are those kind of friends who don't meet every day.
Yeah.
Or maybe, you know, not even call, because now to all the more because she's so busy and stuff like that. So, but I just feel the bond is there for good. And she keeps saying, Delu, you're one friend in the industry. So that is the kind of bond that we share, you know.
Yeah.
Like this hardcore friendship where बात नहीं भी हो, मिले नहीं भी तो भी, you know, शायद बर्थडे पे एक बार मिलेंगे या कोई त्योहार पे एक बार मिलेंगे, लेकिन the friendship is always there.
But are you that kind of friend? Okay, if something wrong is written about your friend, you know her who she is,
Yeah,
you know
I
her
will-
how she is.
yeah.
Will you call up and you know be like,
Of
okay, how are
course,
you?
of course. Yeah, of course. I will be with her. So that's what we are, na? Like that tough times में आप साथ में होते हो.
Yeah.
तो 100%.
But you know, Delnaz, before I wrap up, I want to ask this: कि अगर धर्मा से या maybe Excel से, if you get a chance to work on those projects on big screen again, right? Are you up for it? Even with that?
Of course. I'm waiting to play mother to Sara Ali Khan or Alia Bhatt or, you know, I'm throwing it in the universe. So it's like that. All these young stars,
Yeah.
Ananya Pandey.
Yeah. But you know, before wrapping up, also I would like to know, what advice would you like to people who today, you know, look forward to come to this industry and make a mark? Like they wish to do that.
I think I have always felt that there are 3 P's that they should remember. One is passion.
Passion, definitely.
Yeah, we're passionate about the craft. Then come. Because most of the people out here come for the money, for glamour. अरे पैसे मिल जाएंगे, easy money है. They don't know the hard work.
Exactly.
They don't know what happens here. So they are only talking about जो आएगा बाद में. आपको पहले काम करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. So passion, if you're passionate about your craft, everything else will follow. Second, patience.
Definitely.
You need to have patience. And thirdly, the perseverance. टिके रहो, बने रहो, डटे रहो.
Thank you so much, Delnaz. And really, I think I connected you at a lot of, you know, levels, I would say, जब भी हमारी बात हुई अभी. And really, thank you for this conversation. And I'm looking forward to see you on big screen again.
Thank you. Even I'm looking forward to seeing myself on big screen.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for this
Thank
lovely interview, Akriti.
Thank you
Felt
so
nice.
much. Thank you.
Thanks. Hi friends, this is Delnaz Irani and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.